I have recently started using this hair oil serum. This one is so good. This one has argan oil, jojoba oil. I love jojoba oil. And vitamin E. It really helps with like your flyaways, your split ends, just like your hydration. Especially in the summertime, my hair gets like crazy frizzy because of the humidity. And I love that it has the little like pump in it because it's just so much easier to use. All you need is literally like 1 squirt. This is what it looks like. Sometimes I'll use 2 drops. I rub it in my hands first. You can see it gets like, it's like a really light, not super heavy oil. You don't want a super heavy oil, especially if you have greasy hair like me, because it weighs it down. And all I'm looking for is like something to help with my split ends, but not make it greasy. So I love this stuff. It smells so good. I always feel like I'm wearing perfume when I am putting this in because it smells delicious. The brand had actually sent it to me to test out, and I love it. You can apply it on dry hair or like damp towel dry hair. Do you guys see the difference right now? So like this, clearly nice and silky smooth, and this one's kind of chaos. So I'm gonna do 1 more squirt on this side, and then that's all you need. Rub it. I kind of got a lot, so sometimes I'll reapply it like in the late afternoon if it's super humid out or super dry, or in the winter time when my split ends are really bad, but usually it lasts all day. It also can be used like pre-blow drying your hair too. And then typically what I do is I grab a brush and I'll brush through it, but I don't have one near me. So that's what it looks like. Doesn't make my hair feel greasy, doesn't weigh it down. It just adds some shine and hydration and helps with those split ends. So I love this stuff.